Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset HP laptop. So guys, at first click on the search bar and then search here settings. Click on it. Now click on update security and then click on recovery. Now click on reset PC, and guys, now here you can get two options. So if you want to keep your files in the other directories, then you can select the first option, or you can select just everything, just you can select the second option. But in my case, let me select the first option. And guys, again you can get two options. So if you want to install with the cloud download, you can select the first option. But guys, I prefer to go to the local reinstall. So click on it and then just tap on next. And clicking on reset option will start resetting your laptop. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.